Well, good afternoon, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this April the 14th, 2023. I hope everybody's having a great Friday out there so far. Hope everybody continues to stay safe and well and enjoy your day and also enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. Okay, in today's video, we're going to talk about the satellite loop across the lower 48 for weather radar as well. Also, we're going to take a look at the Watches, Warning, and Advisories, the National Weather Service radar out of Columbia, South Carolina. See what kind of activity we got going on here. And also, we're going to take a look at the SIPS analog-based severe weather probability for the next 8 days. And it's going to be an active weather map on that one there. So stick around and you'll get to see where your severe weather is going to be over the next 8 days. Okay, want to thank all my subscribers. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you know anybody who would love to subscribe to my channel, send them my way. Tell them to hit the Mike Bassett Weather Forecast channel and smash that subscribe button, and they're in. And also like these videos and share these videos. Forecast. Alright, as you see down here in the southern portion of the United States, we got that little system that was down in the Gulf. It's pinwheeling around over here in northern Alabama, northern Georgia. That will continue to lift off to the north and east. This will continue to bring shower and thunderstorm activity to the Carolinas and also into the mid-Atlantic region and also over the coastal water. We do have a marginal risk of severe weather today over the Carolinas, and we have a slight risk, marginal risk over portion of the central portion of the United States. I will have more on those outlooks in tonight's video. As you can see out west, we have another little storm system over the portion of the Rockies and also the northern plains that will continue to influence the weather over here in the middle portion of the country, bringing severe weather. And this is going to be, look like it's going to be active severe weather period from now all the way through day 8. That will be sometime toward late next week. So get ready, folks, for a lot of severe weather to be popping up across the United States in the coming days and into much of next week. Alright, let's move on to the weather radar now. As you can see, there's that system pinwheeling down here in Alabama and Georgia, pulling in a lot of Atlantic moisture, and all this moisture continue to push off to the northeast all this way as this system continues to push off to the east northeast. Still got scattered showers over Florida, also into the Gulf of Mexico. There's that trailing cold front extending from also got a little bit of mixed precipitation over southern Canada, extending that got a cold front, like I said, extending from Canada all the way back into a portion of Arizona, bringing snow for you guys in Colorado, and also portion rain showers for you guys in Nebraska and the North Dakota, South Dakota, and also portion of Wisconsin. Scattered snow showers expected over here in we're also flying over here in Idaho, Montana, Washington State, Oregon State, and also in Wyoming as well. Some scattered showers over, like I said, over Arizona and New Mexico. Also got some scattered activity around Guam. Also got some scattered snow showers over southern Alaska, and also some scattered showers around the northern island chain of Hawaii. Alright, let's move on to the next graphic here. We're going to take a look at the watches, warnings, and advisories for the lower 48 here. Here we go, it finally came up. We still got some fire weather watches over portions of the northeast United States. Got some dense fog advisories also over portions, air quality alerts over New York State, northern Ohio, and also portion of Michigan. Red flag warning still over portions of northern Michigan, also portion of Wisconsin. Also still got the fire weather warnings, red flag warnings in portion of Kansas through Oklahoma and New Mexico and Texas. And also we got that winter weather advisory with Colorado with a few counties with some hydro issues there. Also we have some hydro issues in northern Wisconsin, also in the portion of Minnesota, North Dakota. Flood advisories over portions of northern Montana and also portions of northeast Minnesota. Also, we have some fire weather watches also in effect for a portion of Indiana and Ohio, and also Iowa, and also back into Wisconsin and Michigan. Also special weather, and also some special weather statements over Wyoming. Some flash flood watches over portions of California and Nevada as well. Let's see, gale warning around a couple island chains there in Hawaii, and pretty quiet over Alaska. Alright, here in Columbia, South Carolina, weather radar. We got scattered activity extending from near Charlotte toward the Sherrill area, Darlington and Florence area, towards east of Sumter. You're getting a little bit of shower and thunderstorm activity. You see this activity over to the west, back in Georgia. That will continue to move off to the northeast. I'm expecting more scattered shower and thunderstorm to develop in the heat of the afternoon here in the Carolinas. We'd like to say we do have a marginal risk for us in here in the Carolinas. So any storm can produce damaging winds over 60 miles per hour, maybe some quarter-size hail, and also cannot rule out an isolated tornado as well. So just want to put that out there as well. So if you're here in the Carolinas, just watch out for that as well. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at the SIPS analog severe weather probability. As you can see, we have that marginal risk, like I said, over the Carolinas. They thought they would probably go up to a slight risk, but I see that they're just going with marginal risk at this time. A little activity down here over eastern Florida. And there's that severe weather probability over here in portions of from Iowa back down into central Texas through Oklahoma and Kansas and Nebraska for today. Tomorrow, the severe weather threat will continue to be centered to East Texas, Louisiana, all the way into portions of Mississippi and southwest Alabama, all the way up into portions of Illinois, and also maybe southern Wisconsin as well, and Missouri, you're in it, Little Rock, Arkansas as well. Let's take a look at Sunday's outlook. All this activity shifts to the east. When I show you the Storm Prediction Center outlook later tonight, you'll see all this here is lining up well with everything what the Storm Prediction Center has got. We have some severe weather probabilities from southern PA all the way through South Carolina down into Georgia and northern Florida. Also a little bit over here around the Ohio, northern Kentucky, and southeast Illinois. Indiana, excuse me, for severe weather on day 3. Alright, day 4. We have a little bit up here in portions of the northeastern United States. Maybe a little bit of severe weather possible in that vicinity as well. Alright, we're going to take a look at day 5. Just a very little bit here in Texas. Not much, just a little bit in Texas. So let's go ahead and go on to day 6. Really active here. Starting to grow a little bit. So we have the severe weather coming back into Texas, all the way back into Oklahoma, and also eastern Colorado, and also west central Kansas and southern Nebraska, and maybe eastern Nebraska as well for day 6. Let's take a look at day 7. It should grow a little bit bigger. Yes, it did. A little blob there over Colorado. We still have that severe weather potential over Texas, all the way into portions of Nebraska and also Oklahoma as well. So if you're in these areas here, you need to be on the lookout. And also let's take a look at day 8. And pretty much in the same vicinity, still in Oklahoma, Texas, all the way over to Louisiana, Arkansas, back over to Illinois, western Kentucky, and also Missouri. So if you're in these areas here, be on the lookout, because severe weather will be ramping up once again. And like I say, it's going to be it's going to be about an everyday thing, just about it, for the next 7 days. So, alrighty. But tonight I will have more on my forecast from the Storm Prediction Center. I just wanted to show the SIPS analog, so that way you can see the probabilities for the next 8 days. So just be on guard anywhere in these yellow areas where severe weather may be happening. And stay weather aware. Keep your NOAA weather radios in alert mode, cell phone in alert mode. And I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this video. So I hope everybody enjoyed the weather, because it's the only weather you got. Like these videos, share these videos, consider subscribing, and also we'll catch you back in the next one.